Samsung is expected to bring several improvements to its next-generation flagship smartphone, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Along with a brighter screen and a higher-resolution telephoto camera, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is also expected to feature a titanium frame, much denser than the aluminum the company's current high-end phones use. Despite the tougher material, the upcoming phone won't be heavier. According to Tipster Ice Universe, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will weigh just 233 grams, which is 1 gram lighter than the Galaxy S23 Ultra with an armor aluminum frame. Despite using a denser and tougher material, the next-generation flagship phone from Samsung is getting even lighter. If this information is correct, Samsung must have put a lot of engineering effort into bringing this improvement. The phone is said to feature a design similar to the Galaxy S23 Ultra. As usual, we can expect the phone to feature some form of Gorilla Glass on the front and the rear and an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. Other rumored features of the Galaxy S24 Ultra include a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with QHD+ resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. The phone is said to use the same 200-megapixel ISOCELL HP2 primary camera sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 50-megapixel telephoto camera, 3x optical zoom, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera, 10x optical zoom. Thanks to its much bigger and higher-resolution telephoto camera sensor, the phone is said to offer 5x zoom with optical quality, thanks to in-sensor cropping. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is said to come in 2 variants, Exynos 2400 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Both are 4nm chips, and the Exynos 2400 version is expected to be available in most of Africa, Asia, and Europe, while the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 version is said to be available in China and the US. The phone still uses a 5000 mAh battery and 45-watt fast charging. For more details, check the link below. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and remember to like and subscribe for more content. Stay safe, everyone. Goodbye.